Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to short a stock on Etrade. Short selling is a strategy where you borrow shares of a company and sell them, hoping their price will fall. Your goal is to buy those shares back at a lower price later, returning them to the lender and profiting from the difference. However, it's a high-risk move, as potential losses are theoretically unlimited if the stock price goes up significantly. To begin short selling on Etrade, you first need an approved margin account. This type of account allows you to borrow money or securities for trading. It's crucial to maintain sufficient marginable equity, which acts as collateral for your borrowed shares. Etrade platform will assist you in finding shares that are available to borrow, a necessary step before you can place your short order. Once your account is ready and shares are located, placing a short order is straightforward. On the Etrade platform, you'll choose Sell Short as your order type. Then, you'll input the precise number of shares you wish to sell. It's wise to continuously monitor the stock's movement and consider using risk management tools, such as a stop-loss order, to limit potential losses. Managing your short position is just as important as opening it. To close your trade, you'll place a buy to cover order, which means you're buying back the shares you initially sold. These repurchased shares are then returned to the original lender, completing the transaction. Always be aware of the risk of margin calls, which can occur if the stock price increases substantially, requiring you to deposit more funds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.